Hello everyone, welcome back to my video, and in today's lesson we'll be adding background music to our main menu and also our first level. So first off, we need to get background music or audio that is not copyright. So in doing so, let's go to this website that I use. So I've used pixabay.com, and I just basically search for sci-fi, and you'll get um, a bunch of audio that you can choose from based on your taste and everything. So I've downloaded a few and renamed them. I've created a folder in our project under Marine Sphere, and I've named it audio. So I've one for main menu and one for the level. As you can see, I've added the audio source and add my clip. Let's show you how that process is. So we're just gonna make sure that our scene is saved, and we're gonna go to our level. We're gonna load up our level. Alright, so on our scene, we're gonna right click, game object, audio source, and there we have our audio source. So on the audio clip, gonna click the smaller circle and look for the audio. So I'll name it to level 1. Right, and I want it to loop when the game is playing. Sure that everything is saved. And yeah, it's as simple as that. You want it to loop well once the audio is finished. Let's go back to our main menu, make sure that we have that set in also. Audio source, want to loop. Save that. So let's do a quick test here to see what it sounds like. Not quite sure if that sound came through, but let's put it in our console and let's give it a test run. So we're here on our console, so we're just gonna copy things over. To our project folder, and we're just gonna overwrite what's in there. Okay, now that we have our game transfer, let's give it a run and see if this works. Here we go, we have our main menu. Alright, let's go to a new game and let's see if this sound, change to the sound where our stage should be. There we go. There we have it. So we have our menu sound and our stage sound. And as we continue to proceed, we'll add different mechanics, such as picking up special items, like whether it may be chat log or anything, or recording by someone, that to aid us on our mission. And as for the save and load mechanics, I'll be doing some slight research into those, because the regular way of doing it in Unity doesn't work on the console. I've tested it and it doesn't work, so I will have to go with the Xbox 360 loaded plugin that shows how to load and save game. I've tried to load up a sample project that came with the Unity plugin, but there are some references missing, so I'm gonna be doing some deep research on how to get those working properly. Then I'll do a test project to see if that mechanic works. But eventually there will be a tutorial that covers saving and loading games and everything, and that will cover any items you pick up in the level and any enemy you have killed, because you don't want to respawn at a save point and have to recollect back everything and re-kill all the enemies. And your save point may put you somewhere where if you load the game and you don't have any of the access keys, you won't be able to proceed. You'll probably be stuck in a room or something. So that's one of the things that I'll be working on getting done, and make sure I test it so that you won't run into any issue when following along with those videos. But so far this is all our progress. We have our minimap. We have our HUD that shows when we collect keys. We have our pause menu. You can resume. And also we have our pause menu that you can go back to the main menu. Alright, and then we have our exit. And sooner or later, for settings, I may have like volume and so forth. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put in settings just yet. We have to make sure that whatever that I'm putting in makes sense and does work on the console. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos as we continue to make this complete game for Xbox 360 console.